Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure WordPress SEO with Yoast for lead growth step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Locate the plugins section in the sidebar. Click on Add New. In the search bar, type Yoast SEO. Once it appears, click on Install Now. After installation, click Activate. Now, look for the Yoast SEO option in the dashboard menu on the left side. Click on SEO. You'll see several tabs such as General, Search Appearance, and Social. Start with the General tab. Click on Open the Configuration Wizard. Follow the prompts to set up your site's SEO settings. Choose whether your site is a blog, a business website, or something else. Input your website's name and select your preferred type of organization. Then, specify if this is your personal site or someone else's. Provide basic information about your homepage. Next, the wizard will ask about your site's visibility to search engines. Make sure to select options that allow search engines to index your site. Once done, move to the Search Appearance tab. Here, configure how your content appears in search results. Adjust settings for content types like posts and pages. Set up your preferred title and meta description templates. Make sure keywords are integrated into these templates. Now, navigate to Social in the Yoast menu. Connect your social media accounts to enhance link sharing. Fill in the required fields for platforms such as Facebook and Twitter. Next, return to the dashboard and click on SEO again. Select Tools from the drop-down menu. Utilize the SEO analysis tool to evaluate your site's current status. Address any issues identified in the analysis report. Search for the XML sitemaps option in the Yoast settings. Enable this feature to help search engines discover your content. Remember to submit your sitemap to Google Search Console for further indexing. Now, it's time to optimize individual posts and pages. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.